Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to study about input and output operation in C++ language. So guys, let's get started. Click on create new project. Then I am choosing empty project. Next, input, output, create. It will take some time. Click on source file, right click, add new item, C++ file .cpp is the extension of C++ file. Here we can name this file input output add. So blank file has been added in our project. Now hash include iostream. Using namespace std main function void main. So guys, today we are going to study about input and out operation in C++ language. C in object is used to take input from the user. Anything given to the computer is known as input. C in object is used to take input from the user or from the keyboard. Similarly, C out object is used to display the output on the computer screen console window. So first of all, C out syntax, then insertion operator. Here we could type any message like I love to code. And then semicolon. Each and every statement in C++ language ends with a semicolon. This is the syntax. If we do not put this semicolon, then the compiler will show us an error like so. See here, red dot, it means there is an error. And when we place this semicolon, error is gone. So what is the syntax of cout? Syntax of cout object is cout extraction operator, insertion operator, then this any message we want to show on the console window. So this is the syntax of output operator, cout operator. Similarly, we can show any number on the screen like so. Pause. This is just to stop the console window so that we can clearly see the output. If we do not place this statement system pause, then we will not be able to see our output clearly. So execute this program. I'll have to code 750, press any key to continue. So guys, if I place insertion operator here and and L, this is used to end the line. So now we will have the output on two different lines shown on the console window, like so. See here, I'll have to code and 750 on next line, and L is used to start a new line. What is syntax? Cout object, then insertion operator, then any message you want to show on the console window. This cout object send this message on the console window. Similarly, we can print any value, or we can declare a variable here age and assign a value .30. So we have declared a variable age. What is declaration? Variable name and its type. Specifying the variable name and its type is known as variable declaration. Assigning a value to a variable is known as variable initialization. This is variable declaration, or this, and this is variable initialization. We can also display this variable on the screen like so. Here we can also place and to start a, and L is used to end line. And L stands for end line. It is used to start a new line. So the value of variable age is displayed on the screen. As you can see, we have assigned a value of 30 to this age variable, and here we are displaying that value on the console window by using cout object. So what is the purpose of cout object? Cout object displays the output on the console window. Syntax is cout extraction operator and then any variable or message. So this is how a cout object works. Now guys, we will study about taking input in C++. How we can take input? Simple, cout, type here any message, enter the age of person. End line. Next, scene. So this is the syntax of scene object. Scene, extraction operator, then name of variable. So what this scene object do? It will assign the value to this variable. When I will enter the value on the console window and press the enter key, then that value will be assigned to this variable. So what is the syntax of scene? Scene object, then extraction operator, then any variable. We will remove this assignment here because we are taking input from the user, so that user can enter the age of his choice. See guys, it is asking us to enter a value of age. For example, I type 30, and when I will press enter key, it will be assigned to this age variable. Now this value 40 is assigned to this age variable. We can also display so that you can clearly understand age end line. Now if we see what is happening here, see object is used to show the output on the console window. This is our console. Anything written in double quotes is printed same on the console window. So enter the age of person is seen, enter the age of person. End line, so the pointer goes to the next line and then it is blinking here. Why? It is waiting for the input because in next line we have used scene operator to take input from the keyboard. Now when I will enter any value from the keyboard, for example I enter 40, and when I will press the enter key of the keyboard, then this value will be stored in this age variable, and then we are displaying the value of this age variable on the console window, and it will be displayed here. 40 will be displayed here again. Press enter key, see 40 is displayed because we are using cout object to show the output on the console window. Here we can also see that your age is, and then insertion operator, like so. Your age is, now it will clearly print the. So what is happening here? We are declaring a variable, integer variable, and then we are displaying a message to the user so that user can understand what he should do, because here only cursor blinks. If you do not try this, show this message to the user, then user will not know what he has to enter the value. So we are telling the user that he should enter the age of person, and then in next line we are getting the age from the keyboard. Scene is used to get the input from the keyboard. For example, I press entered 40, and when I will press the enter key of the keyboard, this value will be assigned to this age variable, and age will contain the value of 40. And in next line, cout, it is used to display the output on the screen. We are displaying your age because this is written in double quotes, it is printed same here. Anything written in double quotes will be printed same on the console window. So it is printed same on the console window. Then insertion operator, and then age variable. Now age contain 40, and 40 is displayed on the console. Now see, this is a variable, and this is a variable, and its value will be printed on the screen, not the variable name will be printed. The value of the variable will be printed on the console window. If we want to print the variable name, then we have to place double quotes around this variable. For example, if I now when I run this program, it is so, see, now age is printed instead of 40. So when you want to print the value of a variable, do not place this double quotes around the variable, otherwise it will be print the name of the variable, and value of variable will not be printed. So guys, this is the topic of discussion today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.